Hi there and welcome to a new video by Simplify My Cloud. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Azure app and we are going to create a weather app. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we go to the Azure Portal like here and we go to Function App and we need to create a new Function App. So we click on the Create button. We're going to choose the consumption plan because it's the cheapest option. It's really a few cents per run, so it's not that much. You're going to click on the subscription that you want to use. I'm going to use the standard one, it's the Azure one. The resource group, if you don't have one, you can create one like this, but I'm going to use my standard one. We're going to give it a name. It's going to be weather app 1, 2, 3. Maybe it needs some extra characters. No, that's okay. We're going to use Node like that. And we're going to click on review and create. It's a summary of what we did. I'm going to click on create. That's all okay. It's deploying right now. And in the meantime, we can go to another page. It's the OpenWeather API. I will share all the links with you in the description. But what you want to do here is you want to create an account and then you can go to My API Keys. It's free, by the way, so that's very nice of them. We're going to use this API key. We will need it in a moment, not right now. I'm going to check if the deployment has succeeded. It's still in progress, so I'm going to wait a few seconds longer. So our app has deployed, so we're going to click on Go to Resource, like this. And then we're going to the Azure function that we are going to use. We're going to click on this blue button, the Create function. And we are going to use an HTTP trigger. So I'm going to wait for that. Yes, it's loaded. I'm going to click on this. Yes, this is all right. I'm going to click on create and we're just going to wait for it to be created. Now we are pasting some code that I will leave in the description. So you can paste the following here. I'm going to click save on this part and we are also using JSON that is here. I'm going to paste some code here as well in the function.json. So I'm going to save. All right, our code has been saved and then I'm going back to our app. What we will need now is our API key. So we are going to create an environment variable for that. And the name I'm going to give it is OpenWeather API key. So I'm going over here, OpenWeather API key like this. And then we will need the value. And we can retrieve it over here on the OpenWeather website. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it over here and I'm going to click on apply. No, and we will also need to click apply over here and we get a message that says your app may restart and that is okay. We're going to click on overview and next we are going to click on our app. It's the HTTP trigger 1. What we are going to do next is the get function URL. I'm going to click on the top one, open a new page. And what we need is to add a city name. So I can do it like this. City is Toronto. And we will get the weather that way. So what we did was we created an Azure function that can retrieve the weather info for a specific city. So if this was your first Azure function, congratulations. If it was not, also congrats. And I hope to see you in the next video.